Good evening. Let us journey into the world of civil law through the case of Antonia Armas y Calisterio versus Marieta Calisterio, with GR number 136467, promulgated on April 6, 2000. Facts of the case: Teodorico Calisterio died intestate, leaving several parcels of land. He was survived by his wife Marieta. Teodorico was the second husband of Marieta. Marieta was previously married to William Bounds in January 1946. The latter disappeared without a trace in February 1947. 11 years later from the disappearance of Bounds, Marieta and Teodorico got married without securing a declaration of Bounds' presumptive death. The court is confronted with the issue of whether or not Marieta and Teodorico's marriage was void due to the absence of the declaration of presumptive death. Court's ruling: no, since the applicable law, which is the Civil Code, provides that the declaration of presumptive death is not essential before contracting marriage, where at least 7 consecutive years of absence of the spouse is enough to remarry. Then, Marieta's marriage with Teodorico is valid.